my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion Reviews. You are watching not a movie review, and right now I am not going to be reviewing Wonder Woman. When was the last time you walked out of a DC film utterly and thoroughly entertained? For me, that was almost 10 years ago in 2008 with The Dark Knight. And now, Do Din Pehle. It's criminal Wonder Woman didn't get more publicity globally. The movie is such an entertainer. This movie tells you how little Amazon princess Diana from island Themyscira comes to become Wonder Woman. Her mother, Hippolyta, great name by the way, is the queen of this island where there's only women and they're all warriors. There's literally no men around telling them how to run an empire, how to go into battle, what is the best strategy against invaders, and what sizes their bodies should be while they're at it. Nope, not one. इंडिया में dual citizenship allowed नहीं है ना ऐसा मैंने चले जाना था Wonder Woman's origin story comes a little close to Hindu mythology. Much like Ganesh, Diana too is an offspring of a great god who didn't have much to do in her creation, literally just sculpted by an all-powerful mother. While Parvati used her own body ka mail aisa, Hippolyta's chosen raw material was clay. Peacock jaisa immaculate conception. But that's where the similarity ends, so let's not get too senti. I feel the movie was 3D only for one battle sequence on the Themyscira beach. Breathtaking, gravity-defying stunts done by some amazing actors like Connie Nielsen and Robin Wright make you go all, oh yes! Until you realize that these women are in their 50s and you're like, oh fuck. Especially one slow-mo shot where Robin Wright half flies in the air with 3 arrows as are ready to shoot. Bahar gaon ki Dev Sena. Alright y'all, let's talk about Gal Gadot. We only know her as Wonder Woman, but here is a list of her other achievements. She was Miss Israel in 2004, one of the highest earning models in Israel, was an enlisted soldier with the Israeli Defense Forces, is an honorary ambassador for the empowerment of women and girls for the United Nations, and do bachon ki maa. Girl is pure love. Stunning to look at and a fantastic actor to boot. Gal does perfect justice to the character. Considering this is an origin story, there's so many shades to this part except plain bravado.
Princess of Themyscira.
Prince, Diana Prince.
She's naive, funny, a little silly and full of righteousness. Layers Gal creates and peels off with apparent ease. Director Patty Jenkins, of course, has a huge role to play in crafting this character. Director of the immense 2003 film Monster, a movie that Roger Ebert himself called one of the finest he's ever seen, Patty Jenkins does a kind of justice to a female lead only a woman director could. She shows us a seamless transition from a world where only women exist to a world where women do exist, but they don't. If that makes any sense. All decisions here are made by men, or a Jat isn't allowed to talk. Well, until they realize, ye woman nahi, Wonder Woman hai. Extremely clever writing too. Just so that Gal and Chris Pine's romance doesn't feel a little predatory, the writers have introduced a scene where Gal casually mentions that she knows all about biological reproduction and pleasures of the flesh. So the viewer is assured that she knows sex kya hota hai, even though island par no chance of heterosexual relationship. She says in one scene, yeah, men are necessary for procreation, but when it comes to pleasure, unnecessary. I love it! Not to ignore Chris Pine and his dreamy blue eyes. Certified Pine Nut. Despite Wonder Woman the movie serving as a fast stepping stone to a larger DC universe, Justice League and all that, this film doesn't feel rushed. The story is crisp, clear, and there are not a lot of new characters just thrown at our faces. Ki matlab go figure. Kya chal raha tha Batman v Superman mein yaar? Now, for every man feeling personally threatened and victimized by this film and the power it gives the female gender, in the words of Sushri Leslie Knope,
the mailman? Where are you? Ah, you're ridiculous, and men's rights is nothing.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Wonder Woman is 97% approval rating hai Rotten Tomatoes par, higher than any previous DC or Marvel superhero movie ever. Look, I'm not just praising this film because it's been made by a woman and stars a woman. I like other films too, promise. Subscribe right here and find out. More videos also, everything.